marketing. It's all about standing out from the crowd, which can be vital for the success of your business. After all, if your potential customers don't know you exist, how can they be expected to buy from you? Good marketing means your customers won't have to search extensively for your service or product. It means you will be there when they need you and before they're tempted to go elsewhere. But where to start? Don't just stand there jumping up and down shouting, "Pick me, pick me!" First, check out the guides in our marketing zone. Whether you provide goods or services, you're sure to find a topic for you, including internet marketing, advertising, PR, market research, sales and customer care, and you can even SWOT up on your SWOT analysis, which identifies your strengths and weaknesses. You can browse our checklist, FAQs, blog and briefings. It'll be like being in a sweet store of information. Admittedly, there are no sherbet fizzes or caramel candies, but there are still lots of goodies. Or, if you've had enough of reading, watch some videos. These guides are here to help you gain that competitive edge and support your creativity and strategic thinking. Think, who are our customers? Do we know? And are we reaching out to them? You can also check out our tools section to help build your marketing ideas. We don't have the nuts and bolts, but we have the basics to provide you with the structure that will help your business be the one that sticks in customers' minds. Oh, and don't forget to check if your price is right. That's right, we also have information that covers your pricing. With marketing, the world is your oyster. Well, not literally an oyster, but you get the idea. So get out there and get marketing.